Look at the beautiful scarlet paracantha, which is commonly known as firethorn. The name paracantha is from Latin pia, which came from Greek pura, meaning fire, and akanthos, meaning thorn, hence the common name firethorn. Firethorn is an evergreen shrub, often used in landscaping. The shrub typically has inch-long needle-like thorns and plentiful orange-red fruits. Firethorn fruits have been used in traditional medicine thanks to their diuretic and cardiac benefits. Firethorn fruits are favorite food for birds, especially in snowy winter. Thank you for watching and listening. Please subscribe to this channel, Words of Woods.